If you're planning to level up your shots in 2026, these DJI drones are the ones everyone's talking about. From ultralight minis to full-power flagships, each one brings its own vibe and purpose. No confusing specs, no tech jargon, just the top 7 best DJI drones worth buying this year. DJI Mini 3. If you're the type of traveler who likes keeping your bag light but your footage looking cinematic, the DJI Mini 3 is almost too easy to recommend. It sits under 249 grams, which already tells you this drone wants zero drama. No registration, no bulky setup, just open the arms and fly. Even with its tiny size, the build feels sturdy thanks to brushless motors and a surprisingly stable 3-axis gimbal that doesn't freak out when the wind starts acting bold. The camera shoots 4K HDR with dual native ISO, and the true vertical mode is clutch for TikTok or Reels since you don't have to crop anything. With the Fly More combo, you're looking at a combined 114 minutes of flying, which is perfect for full-day travel sessions. You also get quick shots, panorama, auto takeoff, GPS return to home, and up to 10-kilometer HD transmission that stays clean even in messy signal environments. People love how beginner-friendly it feels and how sharp the footage comes out for something this small. The only real drawback is the lack of auto-tracking, but most casual creators won't miss it. Overall, it's a lightweight, stress-free drone made for simple travel filmmaking. But if the Mini 3 feels like the starter pack for creators, the next drone is what happens when that starter pack gets a premium upgrade. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 5 Pro takes everything good about tiny drones and basically turns the dial to 11. It still stays under 250 grams, still folds up small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, but now it packs gear-level upgrades that make it feel genuinely pro. A super underrated upgrade is the 42GB internal storage. Finally, a mini drone that doesn't punish you for forgetting your SD card. The biggest highlight is the 1-inch CMOS sensor that shoots 4K 60 HDR. For something this light, the footage looks insanely clean, especially in low light, where other minis usually fall apart. The 225-degree gimbal rotation plus true vertical filming gives you tons of freedom when framing city shots, nature scenes, or vertical content. Safety also gets a massive glow-up. With Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing using LiDAR and vision sensors, flying in tight or darker spaces feels way more controlled. Active Track 360 degrees is more confident too, and stays locked onto moving subjects without doing that weird drifting thing older minis sometimes did. With up to 52 minutes of flight time using the Plus battery, it's perfect for long travel days. Users love its polished build and super stable footage. But if you want something that doesn't just capture your trip, it throws you inside the flight, the next one is a whole different universe. DJI Avata 2. The Avata 2 is what you get when filmmaking and adrenaline decide to start dating. This drone is all about the immersive FPV experience, the kind that makes you feel like you're literally inside the cockpit. Paired with the Goggles 3, the real-time visuals are sharp, low latency, and honestly, a little addictive. The Motion 3 controller is another cheat code. Instead of memorizing complicated button combos, you just tilt your hand and the drone follows. Even beginners can pull off smooth drifts, flips, or tight turns without years of FPV practice. The built-in propeller guards make the Avata 2 much safer for indoor flights or close quarters exploring. For visuals, it rocks a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, a super-wide 155-degree field of view, and 4K 60 footage that screams POV cinematic. Paired with the LightCut app, editing becomes ridiculously fast. People praise how tough it feels, how intuitive the controls are, and how stable the goggles' feed stays even when flying aggressively. The only catch is that manual mode still has a learning curve, but that's expected for FPV. Overall, the Avata 2 is the perfect gateway for anyone who wants action-packed shots without building a full FPV rig. And if FPV feels a bit too wild, but you still want a drone that's powerful, flexible, and travel-friendly, the next one hits the exact sweet spot. DJI Air 3S. The Air 3S is the drone for people who want something versatile. Not too beginner, not too pro, just perfectly balanced for travel and creative shooting. It features a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera that absolutely crushes low-light scenes. Sunset shots, glowing cityscapes, nighttime skylines, everything comes out detailed with smooth highlight control thanks to its 4K 60 HDR and roughly 14 stops of dynamic range. You also get a medium telecamera, which is super helpful when you want tighter framing without sacrificing image quality. The panorama mode is a lifesaver too, stitching landscapes automatically into clean wides. Safety gets a big upgrade with forward-facing LiDAR and full omnidirectional sensing, letting the drone navigate confidently even at night or in tricky environments. Flight time reaches up to 45 minutes, giving you plenty of room to experiment before worrying about swapping batteries. And with a massive 20-kilometer transmission range, you get a clean, stable video feed at long distances. Users love how strong it feels in the air, even at higher altitudes, and how consistently good the footage looks. But if the Air 3S feels powerful but friendly, the next one is the full boss fight, the flagship, meant for creators who want nothing but the best. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The Mavic 4 Pro is basically the final boss of consumer drones. This thing screams premium from every angle. The tri-camera system, the stabilization, the insane dynamic range. The highlight is the 100-megapixel Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS camera that shoots up to 6K 60 HDR with buttery colors and razor-sharp detail. Landscapes look unreal, textures pop, and the clarity stays clean even when you zoom into the distance. Speaking of zoom, the dual telephoto lenses give you professional-grade reach without turning the footage into mush. Then there's the Infinity Gimbal, allowing full 360-degree rotational moves that normally require expensive cinema gear. Low-light flying is also shockingly safe, thanks to 0.1 lux nightscape obstacle sensing, letting the drone see almost in the dark. With up to 51 minutes of flight time and 04+ transmission reaching 30 kilometers, you get the freedom to explore deep landscapes with a stable 10-bit HDR feed. The RC Pro 2 controller, with its 7-inch high-brightness screen, is perfect for monitoring in sunlight and rotating for vertical shots. But what if you don't need all that power and just want a simple, lightweight drone that still shoots real 4K? The next one keeps things ultra-friendly. DJI Mini 4K. The Mini 4K is the drone you get when you're just starting out but still want shots that look clean and cinematic. At under 249 grams, it stays in the no registration needed zone, making it one of the most stress-free ways to learn flying. Despite being tiny, it comes with brushless motors and a stable 3-axis gimbal that holds up even in level 5 winds, something a lot of beginner drones struggle with. The 4K UHD camera is surprisingly punchy for the price. Sunrise and sunset shots look crisp, and the footage stays steady thanks to the gimbal. Quick shots like Helix, Rocket, Boomerang, and Droney let you pull off cinematic moves with a single tap. Battery life is another win. The Fly More kit gives you up to 93 minutes combined across 3 batteries. The 10-kilometer HD transmission means you can fly far without your feed turning into pixels. Beginners get simple controls like one-tap takeoff, auto landing, return to home, and solid hovering. Reviews often mention how fun it is to fly and how stable it stays even at higher distances. And finally, if you want premium image quality without going full cinema drone, the last one ties everything together. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The Mavic 3 Classic is that perfect middle ground between pro and casual, a drone that delivers true Hasselblad image quality without stepping into cinema drone territory. Its standout feature is the 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor, capturing gorgeous 5.1K footage with natural colors, smooth gradients, and tons of detail. Landscapes, city shots, slow golden hour passes, everything looks polished without heavy editing. Despite the premium camera, the drone is surprisingly user-friendly. You get up to 46 minutes of flight time, giving you long, creative sessions with fewer battery swaps. Omnidirectional sensing, powered by APAS 5.0, keeps flights safe, detecting obstacles from every angle. And with a 15-kilometer HD transmission range, the live feed stays clean, even when flying far. The RC remote with a built-in bright 5.5-inch display removes the need to mount your phone, which is a huge convenience. Features like waypoint flight and vision assist make advanced moves feel simple. Users love its durability, stable performance, and cinematic output. Some mention occasional repairs, but DJI support is responsive. For creators who want pro-level imagery in a foldable package, the Mavic 3 Classic is a rock-solid final pick.